小學生參加咗一個模型比賽，用積木砌咗佢哋心目中嘅未來主題公園。由實習記者譚彩雲帶大家去睇下。
旋轉風車、摩天輪、電動火車都係主題公園常見嘅機動遊戲。呢啲機動遊戲模型係由一班中小學生用積木砌成。佢哋參加咗一個有關未來主題公園嘅模型比賽，比賽吸引咗50幾對中小學生參加。佢哋要變身成為建築師，建設佢哋夢想中嘅主題公園。
我心目中嘅主題公園已經砌咗出嚟啦，但係好似嗰個咁樣旋轉海陸空咯。嗰個旋轉海陸空呢係我哋咁多個一齊 design 出嚟㗎。有摩天輪啦、觀光車啦、纜車啦同埋熱氣球。學到要一齊做嘢咯，合作咯要，同埋學到點樣砌咯。
呢啲咁生動嘅模型就係靠微型電腦嘅電同埋程式去推動。學生會將自己設計嘅程式下載到呢一部微型電腦裏面，再推動佢哋心目中嘅遊樂場。主辦機構表示，適逢今年香港迪士尼樂園開幕，所以舉行比賽，等學生發揮創意，同埋增加佢哋科學同埋建築嘅知識。亞洲電視記者譚彩雲報道。
Children are naturally curious and inventive, qualities which can be useful later in life. Local youngsters got a chance to show off their creative skills at Hong Kong's first K-bot competition. ATV's Alexandra Bell went to have a look.
Colorful, complicated structures filled Hong Kong Polytechnic University's Shaw Sports Complex as scores of students vied for first place at the 2005 K-bot competition. Working with the U.S.-based K-bot World Championship, local group Ion International Association organized the building competition. The program is designed to help children create, build, problem solve, and explore. It reflects the recent trend towards developing innovative, technically apt, computer-savvy students. This year's topic was Theme Park of Tomorrow, and students built everything from roller coasters to Ferris wheels. Students from over 40 schools displayed the fruits of their labor, but for them, winning was not everything. Kyle Young from Chan's Creative School explains.
Even if we don't win, we still have learned a valuable lesson, and we could improve.
His team did not have to worry. Their display, named Wonderland, took first place among upper primary schools. Still, working as a team and just having a good time were the top priorities here. All the winners will have the chance to go to the 2006 K-bot World Championship in Las Vegas.
As you can see, this unusual competition is both fun and educational. Who knows, these future architects, engineers, and amusement park entrepreneurs may give Disney a run for its money. Alexandra Bell, ATV News.